Hello everyone, my name is Santoshi Prasad Kulkarni and today let's see a quick notes on the osteology topic, which is a topic from anatomy and it's the first chapter. So from this today let's see about the introduction, and as the introduction is so large, I have divided it into two parts. This is the part 1 in which we are going to cover about the skull, the introduction of the skull, the bones of the skull and the joints of the skull. Okay, so let's get started with the topic.
From which today's topic is about the skull. Okay, so what is the skull? Skull is the skeleton of head. Skeleton of head is known as the skull, and the skull consists of several bones, and these several bones joined to form calvarium. Skull is divided into two parts. First part is calvaria, is also known as brain box or also known as neurocranium. And the second part is facial skeleton or viscerocranium. This calvaria or brain box or neurocranium, brain box, that means it enlarges the brain. This is the upper part of this cranium, and this encloses brain. Okay, hence it is known as brain box. Now this facial skeleton, this consists of rest of the skull, and it also includes mandible. Now let's see diagrammatic representation of the skull. This is the brain box which encloses the brain, and this is the facial skeleton which also includes the mandible. Both of these parts join together known as the skull. Now let's study about the bones of the skull. Already we have divided skull into calvaria and facial skeleton. Now let's see about the calvaria. Calvaria is also known as brain box or neurocranium. Now what are the bones that are present in the calvaria? This calvaria consists of 14 bones, of which 5 are paired bones and 4 are unpaired bones. Okay, what are these 5 paired bones? First, parietal bone, temporal bone, malleus, incus and stapes. All these are paired, that means they are 2 in number, 1 on each side. Okay, and unpaired are 4 in number. They are frontal bone, occipital bone, sphenoidal bone and ethmoidal bone. All are these unpaired, they are single in number. Okay, these are the 14 bones that are present in the calvaria, that is the brain box. Now coming to the facial bones, these are also 14 in number, and they are also 6 paired and 2 unpaired bones. What are the 6 paired bones? Maxilla, zygomatic bone, nasal bone, lacrimal bone, palatal bone and inferior nasal concha. They are paired, that means 2 in number, 1 on each side. And the unpaired bones are 2 in number, they are mandible and vomer. These are about the bones of the skull. Calvaria also consists of 14 bones, of which 5 are paired and 4 are unpaired, And facial bones also consists of 14 bones, of which 6 are paired and 2 are unpaired. Just remember this. This is a Viva question. Okay. Now let's see the diagrammatic representation of these bones. Now let us see the bones of the skull in a diagrammatic representation way. Okay. Coming to the cranium, it has 14 bones, of which 5 are paired and 4 are unpaired. And the paired bones are, this is the parietal bone, which is a paired bone, one on each side. We are seeing from the lateral side only on one side. So from other side we have one more parietal bone, and this is the temporal bone, one on each side, and this is the single bone, occipital bone, single bone. This is the frontal bone, unpaired bone. Sphenoidal bone somewhere present here inside the, from the inner side. Okay, sphenoidal bone, and somewhere here ethmoid bone. All these are 1 in number. And the other 3 paired bones are, this is the internal acoustic meatus, which is present in the inner side of the ear. This is the incus. This is the stapes or stapes. This is the base of the stapes. And this is malleus. This is the handle of malleus. All these are paired bones, that is 2 in number. We have 2 ears, so 2 sides. So this is the rough diagram of the face from the front side, and the bones are nasal bone. These are 2 in number, 1 and 2. Okay, nasal bone. These are the lacrimal bone, paired 1, 2. And this is the zygomatic. This is the zygomatic bone, 2 in number, 1 and 2. Okay. And these are the inferior nasal concha. Inferior nasal concha. They are also 2 in number, 1 and 2. This is maxilla. This is also paired 1, 2, both the sides. Okay. And the palate from the inner side. When we see inner side, here we can see the palate, hard palate, and this is also paired bone, 1 on each side, 1, 2, and this is the mandible, which is unpaired bone, single, and this is the vomer, which is present in the nose from the inner side. We can see it from the inner side. So these are the paired and unpaired bones of the facial skeleton. I hope you understood, guys. Now after the bones of the skull, now let's see the joints of the skull. Skull joints. So mostly all of the joints are sutural joints, mostly, but a few primary cartilaginous joints can also be seen. And there are 3 pairs of synovial joints, of which 2 synovial joints are present between ossicles of middle ear, and 1 large joint is seen in the TMJ. Why synovial joint in TMJ? It permits to speak, eat, drink and laugh. You will be knowing about the joints detailedly, but for now just remember these points. These are the Viva points.
Thank you for watching the video, students. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Subscription is free, so please subscribe the channel so that you can get new videos quickly. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comment box.